In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get deeper reasoning from Claude AI. By the end, you'll know how to set up a conversation that brings out Claude's most thoughtful, structured answers, perfect for strategy, coding, or research tasks that need more than a quick reply. First, open Claude AI and start a new chat. A fresh conversation gives you a clean slate and helps the model focus on the current task without picking up context from previous topics. Think of it as sharpening your pencil before you begin. It sets the tone for clarity and depth. Next, choose a model geared toward deeper reasoning, such as Sonnet or Opus, if those options are available in your account. These models are designed to handle complex, multi-step problems more reliably. If you don't see them, select the most capable model you have access to. The idea is to match the complexity of your task with a model that can keep track of details, weigh trade-offs, and present a coherent plan. Now craft a prompt that truly requires analysis. Instead of a broad question like, "How do I market a product?" be specific about the scenario, constraints, and outcome you want. For example, outline your target audience, budget limits, timeline, and success metrics. If you're coding, describe the environment, dependencies, and any edge cases. For research, share the scope, key questions, and how you'd like information organized. The more precise your context and goals, the more grounded and actionable Claude's reasoning will be. Then add guidance that nudges Claude to reason deliberately. Phrases like, "Think step by step," "Analyze this carefully before answering," or "Consider trade-offs and assumptions" signal that you're looking for a thoughtful, methodical response. You can also ask for a concise summary at the end so you get both the detailed reasoning and a quick takeaway. This small addition can transform a decent answer into a well-structured plan. Finally, review the structured response. A strong reply should read like a logical flow: clear sections, explicit assumptions, prioritize steps, and, where relevant, brief justifications or cited references. Compare it to what you'd get from a short, vague prompt. You should notice a more coherent argument, tighter scope control, and better handling of edge cases. If anything feels unclear, refine your original prompt by clarifying constraints or asking for a different format, such as a plan, checklist, or annotated code. That's it. Open a new chat, pick a reasoning-focused model, set a complex but clear challenge, add deliberate reasoning cues, and review the structured output with intention. Follow this approach, and you'll consistently unlock Claude's deeper thinking.